Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: party strength, quest triggers, and safe save. This prevents dead ends. First, travel to the specified map node that unlocks Orin-related dialogue and make the initial contact with the named NPC who mentions her mother. Once done, exhaust early dialogue options and choose the inquiry prompts that mark the quest journal. Make sure to inspect any nearby clues or inscriptions because they point to the next waypoint. You proceed by following the journal waypoints and searching each listed landmark. This is where most players stall, so be thorough. When a locked path or guarded area appears, use stealth approaches or specific skill checks to bypass conflict and preserve NPC dialogue options. Once you retrieve a clue item or overhear a line, cross-reference it with earlier notes, because reasons for detours become clear and map markers update only after those precise interactions. You reach the final location and trigger the decisive encounter. Approach with the right party composition and spells equipped because persuasion paths require buffs, while combat requires crowd control. In dialogue, pick lines that align with your intent. Sympathy opens one ending, force another, and check consequences immediately in the journal. If something fails, reload the save made before the interaction and attempt alternate checks or bring a different companion with unique skills, since that usually resolves missing triggers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.